Hey guys, good evening. Hello.
Now we're joined by Inter Miami midfielder Victor Ulloa. We'll begin with questions now. We'll start with Michelle. Go ahead, Michelle.
Victor, congratulations. I know it's not, Phil was just saying, not the most stylish game or the most beautiful, but you guys advanced, second year in a row to the 16. And it's 4 games in a row, winning, advancing, all that. Can you just talk about where the team is right now and how
It's UEFA Champions League, the first leg match, the semi-final stage as AC Milan versus Inter Milan, Italian football teams, Italian football giants. And this one is Victor Ulloa, the center forward of the International Milan Football Club, speaks here after punishing AC Milan for 2 goals over 0. And of course, he was to say that the game is not over. They are waiting them at their home stadium. They are waiting them at this stadium, and once again it should be quite clear that AC Milan and International Milan use the same stadium. Of course, in fact, Victor Ulloa says they played very well, and of course they are just now thinking about the next match, as they are going to be they are going to welcome AC Milan, and in fact here Victor Ulloa said they have the great opportunity to win that match. They have a great opportunity to win that match. It's a curse of the International Milan center forward here, Victor Ulloa, one among the dangerous striker, and he knows all how to score goals. And he is just going to be, and of course he has to say that that's going to be the decisive match. It's going to be the final on this stage, and that's going to be one among of the important game. In fact, they are going to prepare well ready to wait and face AC Milan on that match. And in fact, Victor Ulloa also appreciates the crucial performance of the teammates, as they played very well. They touched the ball, despite they made some few mistakes, but it was just a part of football. But in fact, to the larger extent, he has been appreciating the great team performance, the great cooperation from the technical bench and the supporters of the International Milan. They had the intensive and stronger supporter. This time around here, Victor Ulloa also says it's a time now to think about